right. Roy, you're from San Diego, and I wanted to let everybody see. We've had a ton of people in here today this morning. What got impressed me is that you had done some research, and you'd looked at all these other things to do, and you come here and made up your mind about us. So I want to let everybody know kind of what you've done, your journey, and how did you determine that you wanted an incredibox?
Okay.
Yeah.
I am going to be retiring in about 18 months from the San Diego School District, and I'm not going to have a treasure chest of funds to work on. So
Okay.
I'm on very limited funds.
Yeah.
And so I've been looking at manufactured homes, modular homes, container homes, lots of different things on
Right.
YouTube, and I stumbled across Incredible Tiny Homes. And I started looking at it, and the models that I've seen, especially the Amish-built ones, just blew me away. And then you came out with the Incredibox, and it's just so reasonable. It's so economical,
Yeah.
and I just said that's perfect. And you know, if it gets too small, I could sell it and upgrade it.
Right.
And
right.
so you know, there's a built-in.
So you're not going to waste any money, you
No,
don't think,
yeah,
buying
exactly,
it, right?
exactly.
You won't get upside down.
Yeah. And also, you have the community that you're building. I have 2 kids in Asheville and 1 in eastern South Carolina, so 3 of my kids are
Okay.
in the area.
Yep.
And that's a lot closer
So our
than San
community
Diego.
is close to all that.
Yeah.
I get you.
So just a lot of pluses, and I was just very excited about it. And just being able to make it the way you want, because I want to make this kind of a Scandinavian design.
Oh, really? Okay.
And you know, so it would be really different,
Yeah.
kind of severe white, but with lots of varnished wood, you know,
Okay, yeah.
around the windows and all.
Well, I'll be
and it's all
darned.
stuff I can do. It just takes time,
Yep.
and you know, so it's like, and it's got. There's a dream in there too.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
And what do you live in a regular home right now?
I'm renting a 3-bedroom house for my
Okay.
brother, so
Got it.
I don't own a home.
And this is a plan that you're getting ready for your retirement, right?
Exactly.
So actually you would like to move east,
Yep.
right near your kids, so you need a place to put it. And this fits your budget more so than
Absolutely. Yeah.
$80,000,
Oh, yeah.
$100,000 time.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I told him, I said, if he gets claustrophobic, I mean, you can build me a big old deck
Oh,
out here.
well, there's going to be a deck.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh, you put a roof over it and everything.
I've
wood
thought
stone.
a roof deck, but there's not to be that much room after I get the solar. So.
Yeah, that's right. We're good.
But I mean, it's just so many options, and I'm just really excited. And this one seems attainable, rather than
Right.
a manufactured home, which it seems great when you just look at their catalog, but then they got to get it to you. You've got to get the land. You've got to
Yeah.
get the utilities put in, site work, all of that stuff,
true.
and it
Yeah.
just blows it out.
And
a lot.
that will almost double what you're getting
Oh, at
into.
least, at
Wow.
least, yeah.
Well, we need to build more communities. I know that. Everybody here says, man, can you build more places to put a home?
Yeah.
And we're in our mountain, but it costs more money to build the mountain.
Yeah.
But we're looking to see what we can do. We're opening up the county where people have own homes in the county. So people that have a house living in the county of Cobb County where we're at, we're getting to where we can put tiny homes in their backyards. There is no zoning. We're good to go. It's all legal.
So you're doing what California's doing with ADUs.
We're working on
accessory dwelling
it.
units.
We're doing it right now in Cobb County. We got a team
Okay.
at ITH that if you can't get into our community right now, we'll find you a home in Cobb County near us, and you can still come to our community and hang out, walk the Milligan Mile. We have a clubhouse. You can come and have, whatever events we got going on. Like we got a Christmas party going on, Christmas Eve, caroling and all this stuff. We're going to empty our big black building, and we're going to have all the community people come down for Christmas Eve. Yeah.
And you've got like 200.
When the Grove is
units already?
done, we'll have 240 home sites. Yeah.
That's a small town.
Yeah. I never thought we'd ever do one. That wasn't my intention. I just wanted to build.
Yeah.
And when you see a
Well, and
need,
it's
then we try
so
to.
necessary.
Yeah. All right.
Because not everyone has 6 figures, 7 figures.
Nope.
to retire.
Nope. And
to
that's
retire
why
on.
this is cool. The Incredibox. Thank you, Roy.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate
Great to
it.
meet
Yep.
you.
We're doing a video. Hope you guys can we're going to do more and more of these throughout the day, that you can meet people that are interested in what we're doing. I've already had, I bet I've talked to half a dozen people already that had unique stories. So Carson, he's got a camera in one hand, phone in the other, and he's trying to get them all done and going. So, but thank you. Subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, notification button, all that crazy stuff, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.